Okay, we're going to talk about closure. All right, so the first question is the set of natural numbers closed over addition? First, we need to address what the set of natural numbers is. So natural numbers, lovely student whose name I'm not going to give up, do you know what the set of natural numbers is? Yeah, any number greater than 0, but it's a whole number greater than 0. It's kind of cool. The whole difference between natural and whole numbers is natural numbers are the ones that you use in kindergarten, 1, 2, 3, blah, blah, blah. And whole numbers, I should write this like off screen because it's not relevant to what we're doing right now. And whole numbers are the ones that have the 0 in them. See the 0 right there? Whole numbers. But this is natural numbers, and that's the ones that just come naturally to kids as they come along. 2, 3, 4, blah, 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 right? So that is natural numbers. And we're asking, is that set closed over addition? So what that means is that if we have this set of number, and I like to think of it as a pot. Let's see how lovely my drawing is right now. Oh, you can, I should probably move this up. Yeah, we're going to move that up so you can see the bottom of the pot. Let me do one more thing to move it up. Hold on. It's not letting me have the controls. Okay, we're just going to leave it the way it is. A pot. So we've got these numbers in it, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they keep going, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to take, this will look familiar to you. We're going to take a plus symbol, and we're going to throw that plus symbol into the pot. There it is. We threw a plus symbol into the pot. And we're going to add things, and we'll just stick it wherever we feel like it. Let's stick it there. What's 3 plus 4? 7. So we're going to put a 7 in there. What's 2 plus 3? 5. Okay, that's there also. What's 1 plus... Oh, it's not working. What's 1 plus 4? That's still a 5. It's there. Are there any numbers we can add together that would make a number that doesn't stay in the pot? Can you think of any? I can't either. Let's just keep messing around with them. Let's do now 4 plus 7. They're both in there. What's 4 plus 7? 11. That goes in there. Okay. What about 5 plus 7? 12. That's in the pot, right? So I can't think of anything. And usually if you can't think of anything with some pretty quick examples, then whoop, the lid stays on the pot. And so it's closed. Okay, so this number with addition, yes. It is closed. And now we're going to move on to subtraction because we already did addition. So let's draw a new pot because now it might get confusing. Okay, so a new pot for subtraction. And we probably won't get through all of these because we're just going to make a really quick little video. So for subtraction, same thing, same whole numbers, same lovely pot. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and some other numbers. But this time, we're going to stick a subtraction in there. Let me try to put a subtraction on our little lovely base block here that I'm just drawing. Okay, so let's do, where do you want to stick it? I don't care. Okay, the 3 and the 2. Okay. 2 minus 3. What's 2 minus 3? -1. Oh, well, is -1 in this pot? So right away, whoop, 2 minus 3 equals -1. We had to come out of the pot. So can this pot have a lid? If there was a lid, it would like pop off of it, right? Like popcorn. So subtraction is not closed. No. And most of the time, you would need a counterexample for that. And we found one right away. We found 2 minus 3 equals -1. Okay, 3 minus 2 would work, right? Like that would be okay. That would stay in the pot. And 4 minus 3 would work, and 4 minus 2 would work. But right away, the first one you chose actually came out. And with subtraction, you need to try them both ways. So if we had first tried 3 minus 2, then we would have to try it the other way because subtraction is not what? What does subtraction not do that addition does do? That's kind of a silly question. There's a property that addition has. So 2 plus 3 is the same as 3 minus 2. What's that called? Okay, so it's the commutative property of addition, so you were fine. So, but there is no commutative property with subtraction because it matters which way you do it, right? Okay, so I'm trying to find the stop recording button. Here it is, stop recording. So hopefully, did that help some?